Hey folks, Mac T here. It's a low light situation. Sun's going down. There you go. I'll stand in front of that light. I'm going to be taking in, you know how everybody buys those sill plates for the back bumper? I'm not going to spend the money really on Lou to do this, but I thought maybe I'd try something out to see if it works. I'm pretty sure it will. Hopefully it's an economic way to do it. But I'm going to take and do a little bit of a bed liner covering on the back sill of the bumper and see if we can't help protect it a little bit there. And it's starting to look all scratched up, so I'm not losing anything on this deal either. So I'm going to go ahead, clean her up, tape her off, and we'll give her a good spray down and see if we can't get her a little more durable in the back end for all that equipment I'm loading in and out all the time, and see what it looks like. How hard is it? Let's check it out. As you can see, you got a fair amount of gouges and scratches here and there. Not too terribly bad for what I do with it. I try to take care of her. But my goal is to paint right up to this bottom part and then right down to here to this edge. So I'm going to overlap it over here just a little bit. And we're just going to do this flat part and this other angled part right here. And just get her covered up. I'm going to go right about here and down. And we'll see what it does. See how hard it is, if there's any problems. Does it stick? Doesn't it stick? All that good stuff. So first of all, we're going to wipe her down. Then we're going to clean her up with a little bit of the alcohol and go from there. First things first. I'm going to wipe her down here just a little bit. I'm not worried about scratches. Are you? No, we're not worried about scratches. We just want to get the dust and dirt off of here. Then we'll clean her down with a little bit of the alcohol. That should take off any waxes or anything. There's not much wax on this old girl. Got a few places I'm going to have to scrub really good. But there's a lot of marks on this paint. It's all scratched up and everything else now that I've got it cleaned up a little bit. Like I said, this is more of an experiment than anything else. Proper painting is not my forte, so if you think I'm doing it wrong, feel free to comment. Not that it'll mean much to me. We're just doing something to do something. Let's see what we got. Be patient. This is some old painter's tape. There we go. Try to do it over here too. Do it about equally. There we go. Think she's about equal. Like I said, we're not measuring, we're not doing anything of that nature. This hillbilly redneck stuff, I guess that's what you're going to call it. That's really all it is. Anyway, there you go. All we got to do is spray it now. What do you think? Talk about a 15-minute job. Anyway, let's go ahead and spray this down and get a couple coats on her. Now, they're not a sponsor, but I got this Rust-Oleum truck bed coating, black. We're going to try her out, see what she does. Shake her up first properly, then we'll spray her down. Let's have at her. Looks like we got her done, so we'll get another spray coat on there. I'm going to put about 3 on here. Then we should be about done. It's going to be dark, so I'll go ahead and get this finished up tonight, and we'll check out the results after I get these other coats on here. You guys get the idea, so you don't need to see all 3 coats. But we'll get her done. We'll see what she looks like once we're finished. There, let's let this dry. See if we can pull some of this tape off of here. A little bit on the wet side yet, but I'm figuring it's probably better if it is a little wet. You take this off of here while it is that way. Otherwise, we could end up with a problem just like I did. I touched it, but oh well. I'll touch that up. A little bit of spritz. I'll give it a quick spritz where I touched it. There we go. Woo! Isn't like flint. That is sweet. Got a little bit of overspray down here, but got some turpentine. I bet you that'll take it off. And there we have it. We'll see it in the light. Doesn't look too terribly bad. Bit of turpentine on here. Gets the overspray off. There we go. There. All good. There we go. We got her. Nice and cleaned up. And I got the bed liner spray on there. As you can see, I think it looks like a pretty good job. Cleaned up good, nice sharp edges. Really made everything look really good. And I do apologize for all the noise because I just can't film or video or anything like that without noise because of all the storm damage. Everybody's working. So anyway, that's how it all looks. I think it looks pretty good, and you can't see any of the scratches anymore. And hopefully this is a durable surface. It's a bed liner. And again, this is the product that I used right here. I'll put a link down below in the video where I got it on Amazon, and you guys can see if this is something you want to do on your edge. A little bit of time, and I did have a little bit of overspray, and I just used a little bit of turpentine to clean off the overspray, and that was it. We were done. Well, folks, this is Mac T, and I hope you liked this little bit of video I did on old Lou in the back. I know a lot of people spend probably far much more money buying all those things to sit there, and yeah, they do stick on with 3M tape and all that stuff and look pretty decent. But hey, this is an economic way to help protect that back bumper area, and it doesn't cost you a lot, and that's what DIY is all about, right? Anyway, it does look good enough for me, and maybe it'll look good enough for you. But like, subscribe, join MACTFORDEDGE on this YouTube channel, that's right, and also Facebook group. Join up there, help that community grow, because we're always good, and we always love the kindergarten rule, right? Anyway, let's see, Band of One's always got great music. My feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you to have a great day too. And Mercy Girl always telling me what to do, and you too.